Oh, what the heck. Might as well just do the whole shebang, right? I just finished doing the video for the dollar store finds, I guess. And I'm going to a party later, so I figured why the heck not? Might as well do my hair. My face is all done, so might as well do the hair, right? So I figure I'll use the, I swear I have glitter everywhere. I might as well do the curling wand. Yeah, I love this wand because it gives such a natural look. You know what I mean? Like it makes things just look like natural wave, and I like that. So it came with a glove. This is the Remington. I think it was like 20 bucks. So might as well use the glove, right? Burn my fingers. Anyway, I have nails on, so I'm just gonna do this quick. So hopefully it heats up quick. I can feel it coming in the air and now. Look at see. Pretty, right? There is my. Then my hair will be done for the next couple days. Because I don't wash my hair every day. I love this curler. Hubby's coming home soon. I usually curl, put to one side, and then the other side, I put the other side. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Get up there, hair. So much hair. God. I worked out yesterday
with my friend Jaslyn, and I don't usually lift, and I did squats with the bar over my shoulders, and I think it maybe was like 50 pounds, I don't know. She does it all the time, and I don't usually do that because I try to do cardio so that I can lose weight first and then tone, because I don't want to get big. I mean, I don't want these arms to be like Diesel or anything. And she's pretty small, so she lifts and I do cardio. But yesterday, I was like, hey, I wonder if I could do that. And I could. I did it. I sure did do it. And I think I did one set. And oh my gosh. I was hurting last night. And like now, the top of my thighs are killing me. Like, oh, I got an itch on my nose. Yeah, so I don't think that I am ready for that yet. Maybe when I get smaller or like keep walking or something. I don't know. I mean, it feels good to know that I did something, but woo, my muscles are not used to that.
My camera keeps shutting off.
Battery must be dying.
No, it's not.
You must got a timer set.
Don't.
Cause change it shut off by itself.
It's been doing that.
We need to figure out why.
Like I think I'm recording, and then all of a sudden, it's not. And then I don't even know what I recorded. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I'll have to show you later because the space is running up in my thing. So. Alright guys, this is it. Time is running out. I want to say thank you for watching. Bay there, bye there, bo there.